Hey there, welcome to the video where we're going to dive into a curious problem I stumbled upon in Rust. So, here's the problem. I found out that you can define an enum with a tuple variant and also implement a method with the same name. Quite surprising, right? The interesting part is that even though it compiles, the method seems to be completely uncallable. How does that happen? That's what we're here to explore today. Now, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling situation. The method in question, named bar, won't get called at all. It turns out that in older versions of Rust, you could access it using test bar, but from version 1.34 onwards, the enum variant completely overshadows the method. So if you're scratching your head wondering why the method isn't being invoked, that's why. It's like the method is playing hide and seek with your code. In a nutshell, the method, with the same name as the tuple variant in the enum, is like a ghost function. It exists in the code, but remains elusive and uncallable. It may have fooled us for a while, but now we know the trick it's playing. And with that, we've come to the end of our little exploration. If you found this as intriguing as I did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding, and may your methods always be within reach.